Hello. Back with another unboxing for you today. Obviously, I can't review this. It is a projector from a company called Pravette, P-R-A-V-E-T-T-E, and it is the C7, as you can see, model there. Supposedly, it's a mini projector, but it's not exactly what I would call mini. But yes, it is small. It is $99 on Amazon. The listing is Projector Pravette Mini Portable Projector, Home Entertainment Video, 800 by 480 resolution, support 1080p, HDMI, USB, SD, Fire TV, Mac, PC, iPhone, Android phone, DVD, gaming, Chromecast. That is the, title on Amazon. But let's check it out here. Box, rather plain here. Really no information on it at all. Dimensions, packaging. It says it's a pocket Pico projector. I don't know, 7 by 6 by 3 inches. Super lightweight, 2.4 pounds. Up to 120 inches display. There's the box there. We have our little accessory box here. It is an HD projector, 1080p. You can connect it directly to home theater system. Works with TV, notebook, gaming console, Supposedly there's an SD card port and a USB. HDMI, SD, USB 3.5 headphone, AV input, and VGA. So not much in here. What's that? Oh, I guess that's the little stand. The screw-in stand to raise the front up of it for you. C7 series Pravette projector manual, user manual, of course. There's that. There's the remote. Fairly basic, but I guess you don't need much, right? There's audio, video, I should say, just for standard, SD, as it were. And here's the power cord. Not much there really to say about that. But here is the projector. As you can see, it's, I don't know, not what I would call a Pico projector for sure. I have a little teeny tiny one. You can fit it right in the palm of your hand in your pocket. Two of them actually, but whatever. 50,000 hour lamp life. It is an LED plus LCD display. LED light source. I don't know. Okay, that's what that means, but whatever. Native resolution 800 by 480. Supports 720 1080. With plus minus 20 degree keystone, manual focus lens, 1200 to 1 contrast, 16:9 aspect ratio, 50 to 100 inches display. 3 feet to 16 feet away. Front, rear, and ceiling mount, single stand mount is what it says. But here it is here, as you can see. This is our sensor there, obviously. Lens cover built in for you. Just clips right in. Actually, to the cover, it doesn't look like it actually. It doesn't sit over the lens like you other ones do, or you think it would. Obviously, we can focus it as needed. And does it fit over? Nope, doesn't fit over. You have to put it all the way back in. And then of course we have the other adjustment here. Not sure what this one is. I think it might be keystone. Don't know, have to figure it out. This just arrived actually. This first time I'm unboxing it there. First time I'm opening it really. But looks like speaker or ventilation this side. Speaker there. Possibly, or ventilation. That's ventilation there. VGA, HDMI, USB, SD port here, headphone jack, and the AV jack, which goes with that adapter. This one. So you can plug other things in, like so. Just regular standard RCA jack. You have rubber feet. I'm not sure what's under the little door there. There's the hole for the little stand you saw earlier. We have controls here as well. Again, IR port in the back, power. There's controls there, which would be, let's see here. Let's check out the manual. Huh. Okay, oh, dust removal opening is what that thing is on the bottom. Ventilation, support bases. See, I was right. This one here is the keystone, and of course that's the focus. So I was right then. Keystone and focus. Control panel. Oh, here we go. Channel up, channel down, volume up and down, left and right. Source, menu, enter, and power. Ventilation window, USB port. Where's the speakers at? It doesn't say. I thought there were speakers in here. I thought it had speakers on it. Huh. Did I miss them somewhere? Ventilation, support, tripod stand. You can put it on a tripod or the other one. Ventilation. Speakers on the back. So according to the manual, that would be the speaker there. Again, there's another IR receiver. TV port optional. Yeah, I don't have that TV port on this one. Remote control, power, back, power, mute, forward, previous, next. Keystone. Yeah, fairly basic to use here. What's included in it? Not much there. Video format. Looks like it pretty much all the common standard stuff there. I don't know if you could see that. Image format, audio format, and video format. There's the warranty part, and that's about it. I mean, it is fairly lightweight. I mean, yeah, you could take this with you without a problem, I'm sure. And it feels fairly well made, really. But I'm gonna have to test it out, and I will put the link to the full review down below in the description. And I finished the review. 55 watt max power consumption, input, standard stuff. Okay, $99 on Amazon. Pravette C7 projector, LCD LED. That's it. Thanks.